On behalf of President Marisol Coleman, I want to express our warm welcome to all of you to the Advanced Manufacturing Partnership National Meeting. We also want to welcome you to the great city of Detroit and to the beautiful state of Michigan. The National Meeting is co-hosted by the University of Michigan, Northrop Grumman Corporation, and the Society of Manufacturing Engineers. The mission of the Advanced Manufacturing Partnership is to encourage approaches that will sustain and grow U.S. leadership in advanced manufacturing, making the U.S. a magnet for jobs and investment, fostering broad long-term collaboration among industry, academia, and government partners to drive advances in manufacturing innovation and workforce capabilities. It is quite fitting that such an important national meeting is held here at Michigan. Michigan is a global vehicle manufacturing and technology hub. Not only the big three manufacturers have their headquarters in the state, many other international manufacturers also have their technology offices in the state. Michigan is also home to some other well-known manufacturers such as Dow, Kellogg, Herman Miller, Steelcase, and so on. Half of the US population resides within 800-kilometer radius of Detroit, and half of the gross domestic products are generated in the same region. We are also home to one of the NAMI Manufacturing Innovation Institute, the American Lightweight Materials Manufacturing Innovation Institute, which was announced by President Obama on February 25th. Michigan is also home to several greatest innovations in the history of manufacturing. In 1913, the first moving assembly line was installed at the Ford Highland Park assembly plant, not far from here. A chassis would pull slowly across the factory so that workers can stay in their station and then install parts and assembly to complete the vehicle assembly. Before the moving assembly line, the product was stationary, and then workers traveled from station to station, which was a slow and inefficient process. With the moving assembly line, the productivity increased from 20 to 30 vehicles per day to 1,000 a day, and then finally to 3,000 per day with 3 shifts of production. The moving assembly line are being used today in almost every sector of the consumer product manufacturing. The second very important innovation was computer numerical control. Mr. John Parsons and his colleague in the Parsons Machining Company in Traverse City, Michigan, were the first to use computer method to solve machining problems. More specifically, the accurate interpolation of the curves in helicopter blades. Later, they collaborated with the MIT Servo Mechanism Lab in an Air Force contract. In 1975, SME recognized Mr. Parsons with a plaque, naming him the father of the second industrial revolution.